Experiencing overheating issues on your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max after updating to iOS 26? You're not alone. Many users have reported this, primarily due to optimization bugs in power management for the A17 Pro and A16 Bionic chips. This can lead to your phone reaching temperatures of 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, 132 120 degrees Fahrenheit, even during light use, significantly impacting battery life and performance. The good news is that Apple has released a hotfix, iOS 26.1, which addresses the majority of these issues. First, ensure you've updated to iOS 26.1. If the problem persists, the overheating could be due to more than just software and could be related to hardware defects, e.g., faulty heat sinks or customizations like jailbreaks. If updating to iOS 26.1 doesn't fully resolve the overheating, try these troubleshooting steps. First, force restart your iPhone by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, then pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, manage background app refresh in Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Disable it for apps you don't frequently use. Avoid using your phone during charging, especially for intensive tasks like gaming or video streaming. Also, limit exposure to hot environments. If overheating continues, a hardware issue may be present. Contact Apple support or visit a Genius Bar for diagnostics. Remember to back up your data before any troubleshooting. Furthermore, consider that the iPhone 15 series is pushing thermal envelopes. Future updates need better beta testing to avoid these cycles.